welcome back to our channel. So guys, we are making today our beautiful wallet. So we are taking our A4 size sheet paper. You can take any color and we are folding into half. And I'm putting like this and you can fold like this, okay? Then we are folding in 4 half. So as you can see, it is like this, and see it properly because it is not very difficult, but it is difficult. Everything is difficult in our life, so we can solve it easy, and you can see. And guys, जब तक आप देख रहे हैं थोड़ा सा लाइक कर दिए, शेयर कर दिए और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, और नोटिफिकेशन बेल तो ज़रूर क्लिक कर दीजिएगा. और देन ओके गाइस, सो लीव इट ऑल and we are moving our next step, and we are folding our corners like this, as you can see it. And I'm folding like this, see it properly. You can fold with a scale or anything else, as much you length you want, because money भी तो आने चाहिए ना उसमें. So we are putting like this, है ना? Then put it like this inside, and then we will take our glue and put it small. So guys, you all know in our videos glue are never outed, and I will hate this thing, and every video will do like this. ये सारी इमेज पानी में डाल देता है glue. And then we will put like this, and be careful when you are sticking it, don't stick both the sides, okay? And then it will dry, then we'll fold it, then we will give some touch up and look it beautiful. So we are taking a black pen scale and we are giving a pretty lines, and you can do like this, or you can stick our stickers and all that, and you can color it what you wanted. And we are doing like this, and so it will look beautiful. So be careful when you are sticking our eyes. So guys, be careful in that when you are sticking our eyes. Open it and see it is in right side or not, because when you will stick it, it will looking horrible. So I have know that it is in right side, so I am not seeing. So you can use our black pen to make our small cute mouth, and we are using red pen also. It will look pretty and glowing. And then our wallet is ready. So guys, our last touch up is ready. We have put you can put rupees, cards and anything inside, and you can gift your mother, father or anyone else, and it will help you in everything. So guys, our wallet is ready. It is looking adorable, and go like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to miss another update.